Silicon, Silicate industry. What properties and applications do silicon and its compounds have? Chemical symbol Si, atomic mass 28. Natural state. Silicon is the second most common element in nature after oxygen. Silicon occupies 1/4 the mass of the Earth's crust. In nature, silicon exists only in compound forms, not in single element form. Its compounds occur mostly in sand, clay, kaolin. Properties. Silicon is a gray, hard solid with a high melting point, metallic shininess, and poor electrical conductivity. Pure silicon crystal is a semiconductor. Silicon is a nonmetal with chemical reactivity quicker than carbon and chlorine. At high temperature, silicon reacts with oxygen to form silicon dioxide known as silicate. Silicon is used as semiconductors in electronic technology and used to manufacture solar cells. Silicon dioxide. Silicon dioxide is an acidic oxide reacting with bases and basic oxides at high temperature to form silicate salts. Silicon dioxide plus sodium hydroxide gives you sodium silicate. Calcium silicate. Silicon dioxide does not react with water. Summary of silicate industry. Silicate industry includes the production of pottery, glassware, cement from natural silicon compounds, and other chemicals. Pottery production. Pottery includes bricks, roof tiles, heat-resistant tiles, and porcelain. Raw materials: clay, quartz, feldspar. Feldspar is a mineral that is composed of oxides of silicon, aluminum, potassium, sodium, calcium, etc. Page 93. Porcelain, pottery, porcelain, and pottery. Several pottery stuffs. Roof tiles. Major steps: knead clay, quartz, and feldspar with water to form a flexible clay body, which is shaped, dried into objects. calcine the objects in the oven at suitable high temperature. Manufacture facilities. Our country has many pottery porcelain manufacture factories such as Bát Tràng in Hanoi, Porcelain Companies in Hải Dương, Đồng Nai, Sông Bé. Production of cement. Cement is a binder in construction. The main components of cement are calcium silicate and calcium aluminate. Main materials: clay, limestone, sand. Limestone and clay are comminuted and mixed with sand and water to create a semi-liquid mixture. Calcine the mixture in a rotary kiln. Figure 3.20. Or a blast furnace at the temperature of approximately 1400 to 1500 degrees Celsius, and solid clinker is collected. Cool clinker and additives are comminuted to create smooth powder, which is cement. Here's the picture. Our country has cement manufacture factories in Hải Dương, Thanh Hóa, Hải Phòng, Hà Nam, Nghệ An, Hà Tĩnh. Production of glass. Major components of glass are a mixture of sodium silicate, Na2SO3, and sodium and calcium silicate. Materials: quartz, sand, white sand, limestone, and soda. Steps: sand, limestone, and soda are mixed in a suitable proportion. The mixture is heated into semi-fluid glass at approximately 900 degrees Celsius. This glass is cooled, gradually squeezed, and blown to form objects. Chemical equations. Page 95, summary. Silicon is an abundant element in the Earth's crust. Silicon is a less reactive nonmetal. Compounds of silicon such as SiO2, white sand, silicate, salt are materials to produce pottery, glass, cement. Do you know crystal of electronic spare parts? Silicon is a semiconductor. At normal temperature, the electric conductivity of crystalline silicon or crystalline silicon is 1000 times worse than that of mercury, but it increases in proportion to the temperature. Electronic spare parts are made of extremely pure silicon crystals. To get pure silicon crystals, silicon has to be heated to the melting point of 1410 degrees Celsius. Liquid silicon is cooled slowly, then the crystalline silicon is released from the liquid silicon. The first crystals of silicon to appear are highly pure and are screened out to make electronic spare parts. This technique is called crystallization. Which chemical is used to engrave letters and images on glass objects? Silicon dioxide is easily dissolved by fluorhydric acid or hydrofluoric acid based on the following reaction. Thanks to this property, hydrofluoric is used to engrave letters or patterns on glass. Therefore, we can decorate on glass surface as we want.